I want to show you a simple process you can follow to have more conversations with prospective customers. It's called the 30-for-30 exchange, and it's one of the easiest plays to run as an entrepreneur, even if you don't have a big social following. A 30-for-30 exchange is where you offer 30 minutes of free consulting work to someone who needs it, and in exchange, you get 30 minutes of time to ask questions about their challenges, so you can build a better product or service. I'm always surprised by how many entrepreneurs don't spend time talking to prospective customers. How are you supposed to make your business better if you're not doing that? So, for example, let's say you're building a productivity app. If you chat with prospects, you might discover that 90% of your prospectives users are looking for features like time tracking or project management. If those features aren't in your current product, there's a good chance people wouldn't buy it. Or if they do buy it, won't keep using it. So if you're not having these conversations, you're just guessing what people want. And guessing is not how good businesses get built. Direct feedback from perspective allows you to adjust your priorities, to solve the right problem and include better features, and to even get your messaging right. And that's why the 30-for-30 exchange is so powerful. So, without further ado, here's how it works. The first thing you need to find is people that need your help. But if you don't have a huge social following, you probably aren't getting a lot of questions on the content you create. And that's absolutely okay. You can start by siphoning from larger, more popular pieces of content. Simply jump on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, or other platforms and start searching around for your area of expertise. Advanced search is your best friend here. Within 30 minutes, you should be able to find 3 to 4 pieces of popular content that are hyper relevant to your business. Open each piece of content and skim the comments. Is there anyone asking a question you know the answer to? Maybe there is anyone sharing a problem that they are struggling with that you could help them overcome. If so, try to reach out to them. And now comes the easiest part. If you're reaching out to be helpful and not sell anything, you're probably going to get responses. Here's a simple template you can use to reach out. Hi, name. Saw your question about topic on person's content. I can, simple offer. Nothing to sell you. In exchange, I'd simply love 30 minutes to ask you a few questions about the challenge. It will help me with the business I'm building around that problem. For an example, if you're building an agency to help creators with Facebook ads, you might say something like this. Hi Jim, saw a question about how to come up with a Facebook ad budget on Samantha's LinkedIn post earlier today. There's a pretty simple formula and process you can follow to make sure you're spending on keywords that work. I can show you how to do that. Would probably take 20 to 30 minutes. Nothing to sell you. I just love 30 minutes to ask you a few questions about how you're thinking about Facebook ads for your business. It will help me with a business I'm to solve problems like this. Let me know if you'd like to chat. Now you send out 3 to 4 of those each day. No hard pitching. No guarantees, no big over-explanation, just offering to help in exchange for asking some questions. Just imagine, if you make it a habit to send 3 of these messages a day and only 1 person out of 3 responds, you'll have 7 meetings lined up in a week. What a great start. When you actually spend time talking to prospective customers, you're going to have a much better chance at building a product or service that people really want. The tough part? You have to execute on what I shared above. Remember, here's your play. Step 1, spend 30 minutes a day finding hyper-relevant content on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, etc. Step 2, read through the comments and pull out 3 to 5 questions from people. Step 3, send those people DMs using my template or create your own template. And step 4, run those prospect conversations and collect data. I hope this helps. You see that having these conversations can be a lot easier than you imagine. So what are you waiting for? Try it today. But before you get started, right now, have a look at my free newsletter down below in the description to get even more value delivered to your inbox. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.